big inaugural program which will be held tomorrow at Khongjong, a very memorable place of Manipur in the history of Manipur, and also this AICC President Sri Mallikarjun Khargeji will be flagging off the program, and the date is our Rahul Gandhiji, young and dynamic leaders, will lead the yatras from Khongjong to Mumbai. So at the outset, I extend warm welcome to Manipur and to all these media fraternity, and also all the national leaders of AICC who are here and who have come and also will come by tomorrow. All the leaders will come tomorrow morning. So I extend warm welcome to Manipur. Welcome for participating this Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. So I'm really thankful to the AICC and especially our president and also our young leaders, our Congress leaders, Rahul Gandhiji, for choosing Manipur to be started from tomorrow, this Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. So with this inaugural program, which will start from today, with this, in the meantime, we are quite upset, and also we are quite alarming. We are quite this harassing by the government, because in these connections, there is regarding the ground permission also, our selfie leaders also explained about it, matter that we applied for the ground permission in the Imphal city, which has been scheduled by the AICC and announced by the AICC. Right after the announcement of the AICC that this Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra will be started from Manipur. So right after the announcement, without any consent and acknowledgement from the AICC, I directly write letters to the DC Imphal is concerned for the proposed yatra to be, we propose this place from Hata Kanzeibu, the palace compound, near the palace compound. So after many days pass, that is perhaps on DC Srimati Daina Devi, many times we have requested at the last, no, due to the short of time, we directly approached to the office concerns. So they declined, and at the same time also, after they declined by the officials, we went to the Chief Minister's office directly. Some of our MPCC team, I led the team, and we met the Honorable Chief Minister. So he said that on 10th of January, he declined straightly. Honorable Chief Minister has declined straightly, saying that there will be there could not be allowed that this yatra will be allowed to the public place. In fact, this Hata Kangdebu is a public ground. All the political parties and other different government program and other private program also being held over there for the many years. So Honorable Minister has declined directly. I will not go to that too much on that line, but he declined straightly that at any place of the government area will not be given for this proposed Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. So okay, then good. I just replied to the chief ministers. Even if you don't, if he didn't give the venue at public place, so I just requested him to give to cooperate with the program that we are going to shift to the private lane. Now, what we are going to launch the program tomorrow is a private lane. So that is what we are going to do tomorrow. That too is a private lane also given the order by the Deputy Commissioner. Only 3,000 participants will be allowed. So in such a situations we are really very alarming. In fact, these the objectives and the visions of this Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra, our leader Jairam Ramesh ji has explained, so I will not go on that line too much. But really, this historic Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra, it is disturbing by the government, so to say. So government doesn't want to this start from Manipur. I don't know why. I'm really thankful to the AICC and our leader Rahul ji for choosing this Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra in Manipur. Now, starting from Khongchatki, really, on behalf of the people of Manipur and our Pradesh Congress Committee, Manipur, we are really happy that this choosing Manipur, which is a very historic event, starting from Manipur to Mumbai. So we think, we the people of Manipur, that this event, why this event is choosing to start from Manipur? We, the people of Manipur, think that Rahul ji knows the sentiment of the people. He connects the heart of the people with the people of Manipur. He knows the suffering of the people of Manipur, the pains, the sorrows of the entire people of Manipur. That's why AICC and Rahul ji, under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji, decided to take this inauguration from Manipur. That's why, for knowing the sentiment and connecting the hearts with the people of Manipur, I really extend again the thanks to the AICC leaders. And also, I pray to God to be a very successful. Let God extend the blessings to this inaugural program. And I will just go on the line as our Jairam Ramezi has stated. Then I will just announce minute to minute program for tomorrow. And for that, I will just announce a little these one by one. So tomorrow, our these AICC leaders from Delhi and from different part of the nations, they are arriving at the international airport in Fall by 11, 11:10 hours in the morning by a charter flight. And after arriving over here at the international airport in Fall, all the team will not go by these individual car, and these all the team will is picked up by the buses. Around six buses we have reserved, and all the this including the different chief ministers of the different states, and our all the leaders of the ICC and different PCC presidents and the CLP leaders, deputy CLP leaders of the different states and union territory will be picked up by the buses, and directly will lead to the Khongchatki, where we are going to flag off the program and inaugural sport. And after that, after reaching over there, our honorable President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji Yes, yes. What this?
Already shared, sir.
Sure.
We
So
have
we
shared.
got it.
We have shared.
Okay.
We have shared it.
Okay.
We
Thank
can just
you.
run through.
Yeah. This Mallikarjun will these furling the national flag, and after that, all the dignitaries will be on the dais, and after that, these some welcome speech from myself. After that, our CLP leader will give a short speech before the AICC team leaders deliver the speech on this Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, and we have this some small program. This and this our these shown by this prayer program like this our Manipuri prayer program by the PNR team. It's a very traditional program, and also one artist very famous Guru Ruben Mashambo. These you will sing a very nice song. This song